In some cases, multiple conditions, or one of many, must be met in order for an action to occur on your form. On our office supply request form, if the request is over $100 and the manager has already marked the request as approved, we need a matching purchase order. We're going to create another custom action to meet these multiple conditions. I'm going to call this new custom action Show and Highlight PO Number if approved form is over $100. For the first condition, I just want to see if our grand total is over $100. So we'll just use expression is true. I just want to select the grand total field. And change my operator to greater than, and then just enter 100 and click OK. For the second condition, I want the supply request status to equal approved. So my first value is my supply request status field. My second value is approved. Notice you have to put those in double quotes because it is an alphanumeric string. When I added the second condition, notice an AND appeared next to my conditions. This means both these conditions have to be true in order for the action below to be executed. I could also toggle this to OR, which means only one of the two conditions has to be true. This AND OR toggle is called a Boolean operator. In this case, I want to leave this as AND because both of these conditions have to result in true. There's a couple things I want to do here to draw the manager's attention to the purchase order. First, we'll make it visible. I'll select Change Element Visibility. For my element, I'm going to select the PO field. And change Hidden to Visible. Next, I'll draw the manager's eyes to this field by changing the color. I'll select the Highlight Element action. The element is my PO field. When I click Highlight, I can change the color of the label, background, or the text. I'll change the background to green. That should stick out on a red form. I can pick colors from the palette, or I can click Advanced and use RGB, HSL, or CMYK to get just the perfect shade. Not only can I draw the user's eyes to this field, I can take over their mouse too. Well, not literally, but I can put the mouse cursor in this field. I'll select the Focus Field action, click Element, and select the PO field. This combination should really draw the manager's attention to this field. Let's take our form for a test drive. I'll sign in as the manager, and I'll order something over $100. And mark the form as approved. Bam! There's our PO number in your face.